Hello everyone, welcome to Big Data Knowledge Hunt. In today's video, we will be seeing the hierarchical clustering. So in the previous video, we have shown what is meant by clustering. So it is one of the type of clustering. We have shown the K-means clustering algorithm. So this is the second type of clustering, that is hierarchical clustering. So in hierarchical, as the name indicates, it will show the hierarchy of the data points. Hierarchy is denoted with the help of the structure, same as we are denoting the tree-like structure. So in hierarchical clustering, we are using the tree-like structure. So it is also called as dendrogram. So here we will use dendrogram for demonstrating the structure of the given data point. So there are generally two types. This is categorized into two types. The first type is known as agglomerative clustering. And next is the divisive. These are the two types of clustering that fall into the category of hierarchical clustering. First is agglomerative and next one is the divisive clustering. So in these two clustering, the agglomerative follows the bottom-up approach, whereas the divisive follows the top-to-down approach. Means here the data points are categorized from bottom to up, whereas in divisive the data points are divided from top to bottom. So these are the basic two things that comes under the category of agglomerative and divisive type of clustering. So the hierarchical clustering is also called as HCA. It is also known as HCA or hierarchical clustering algorithm. Now how this algorithm is built up, we'll see by taking an example, and then we'll simple clusters, how they are classified and how the types are being denoted. We'll see by taking a simple data points. Like if we have a cluster, so this is the x and y coordinate, and these are the data points. Like here if A, B and C, these are the three data points, and these are the two data points. So if we have 5 data points, and if we can see these two data points are closer, so these two are in one cluster, and this is somewhat distance from these two, and so these three form a new cluster. These two are nearby, so these two form a new cluster, and totally these are in a single clusters. So this is the overall structure of a cluster. Now if you want to go with hierarchical cluster, so if you want to go with agglomerative based approach, what is the structure will be? First these two means A and B. So A and B are taken separately. Similarly C is separate. These two are then combined. Similarly E and D, these are the separate data points, and after that the whole cluster is formed. So this is the bottom up approach followed. This is known as agglomerative clustering. Whereas if we go with the divisive, so this is agglomerative. If we go with the divisive type of clustering, same, first all the data points are collected, means A, B, C, D, E. This is the whole clusters. Then we are dividing E and D into separate cluster. So E and D are separate. Here these three are separate. So we have to form a different cluster in which A and B are again separate. So A and B are separate, and here C is separate. So C, A, B. So this is a top-down approach. This is a bottom-up approach. So these are the two types of things that come under hierarchical clustering. In the further videos, how this division is done with the help of numerical, we will see. But till now we are just seeing how the approaches are followed, like how bottom-up approach is followed and how the top-down approach is followed in the hierarchical clustering. I hope everyone is clear with the idea of the hierarchical clustering. For more videos on machine learning and big data, stay tuned on the channel. Make sure you subscribe it. Thank you everyone.